What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Debrew, and in this video I will show you how to make money on ClickBank using Facebook ads, and we're going to focus on the landing pages. So with ClickBank, obviously I'm logged into the dashboard of one of my students right now as I'm doing the videos with him. You can see we had some quite interesting days lately. We started working together in middle of December. So in the first bit we did 2.8 grand in 1 week. We built it up to 3.3k, 4.1k, 9k. And the current week so far obviously is quite big. The week for ClickBank ends tomorrow, but we're almost, I think we'll finish at $13,000. And this is for one of the 3 accounts we're using. So it's going really well. We are between $3,000 and $5,000 a day with 100% ROI. And in this video, I'm going to use the Debrew suite to give you an example of the landing pages you can use. What is important to note is that with Facebook, there is a lot of user engagement, which means that the user is actively on the platform to engage with content. And we need a landing page which uses this. With ClickBank offers, so on the ClickBank offers we promote, and this is not a neutral offer, this is not a make money online offer. We don't want to get banned by Facebook. So we run something which is not in the health of dating space. So when I filter on social, I get all the social landers. And you can see here some e-commerce, envelope, and these are all not good for Facebook. I'm looking for Facebook compliant. So they're marked with FB. This is a Facebook compliant quiz. So let me just open them for you so I can give you some examples of what these pages look like. This is a quiz, right, which is very easy to use. So this is Debrew Suite Editor. You can basically edit images and you can replace them, anything you want. This is an 8-question quiz, so it's quite long. Preferably, I would prefer to use something which is a little bit more Facebook friendly, as there is a high level of user engagement, people liking posts, people commenting, watching videos. We need to fit that pattern. So like a casino spinner, an advertorial is not going to work that well. Those landers are more suitable for different types. Let me see if we have some more Facebook stuff, because we definitely do. And there's one in specific that I'm looking for. And we have many different landers. Let me see. So this is a long copy NuTrack quiz, which I'm going to open for you guys. I think that would be a good example. You would have to alter the copy, obviously. Yeah, that would be a good example, because this is text and copy basically in one, right? It allows you to have some short copy here, an image. Very good for the user audience you want to aim for. So and you have some long copy down here, right? So the most important thing is that you have a strong call out on the landing page, right? Then we have engaging questions. Do you or anyone you work diet or weight loss? So diet is not something we generally use on Facebook. It is one of the biggest money makers anywhere else, but you have too much risk of getting your account shut down. And the approach I'm taking with Tom basically is go for longevity, right? We want to build it to 1 to 3k a day per ClickBank account we have. And we have 3 of them. So this is the highest one, which was about 2.4k yesterday. And in total, it was, I think, we're building it up around $5,000, right? So it's building up quite nicely. A better angle to use, which is this one, which is, wait, I need to show you because I edited this one already. I have many landers. Let me see. Yeah, this one, which I just showed you guys. which is basically the astrology one, right? So this is for astrology offer. So anything from do-it-yourself batteries to survival to astrology to religion. Well, religion maybe not so much, but to do-it-yourself woodwork, to learning how to do origami, to piano, to singing. Those are all extremely good white hat offers. Due to the detailed targeting on Facebook, this creates a tremendous opportunity to promote these kind of offers. This is a quiz which is already completely done, right? So you can adjust all these things, adjust this copy, adjust all these questions, and just see how many you would be able to put. So that's the next question, right? How many questions would you want to put? I had to think a little bit, process it a little bit while clicking around. And you can obviously go up, go down with everything. The question is 1 out of 8 questions. You would want to ideally do 3 or 4, I would say, depending on what kind of audience you're working with, right? Because the landing page, the main goal is the correct pre-frame. And the correct pre-frame means that the user is engaged enough to go through the landing page and hold his interest while we wait for the offer to come through, right? So if we go to ClickBank, we go to the marketplace, we go to spiritual, new age, and alternative beliefs. We can see we even tried this offer for quite a bit. Yeah, this would be like numerologist, bioenergy codes, soul manifestation. There's all kinds of offers which would fit Midas manifestation. It's all like the personal development astrology kind of crap, which works with this style of lender. So it's important that it's short, it's clean, it is proven to convert. And that's basically what you're looking for. So these lenders that we often use on native ads, which if you've seen any of my other videos, I did a whole lot of ClickBank sales myself using native ads. We don't use for Facebook because compliant wise, they are just not it, right? Let's say you have a custom lender you want to use. You can also upload a zip lender into this landing page builder and get it going that way. So that is very important to use the right lender. Gave you some examples. Yeah, I can make more answers to the videos, but obviously I have a tremendous amount of experience using these lenders, so I don't have that many questions about them. But if you do, feel free to post them down below and I'll be sure to have a look. A good question I often get about the hosting. So my landing page builder that I'm using is connected into Amazon Web Services. So the hosting from Amazon, which is called S3. It takes about 45 minutes to set it up. I have a getting started guide here on how to do it and how to connect it with this landing page builder. And it's the fastest hosting in the world, basically. It's quite cheap, so it's free until 20,000 visits or your first year. It depends on what you hit first. And then I think I pay $50 a month for 10 million clicks or something like that. So if you're just starting out with Facebook, you might pay $5 for it, $2.50 to $5. It depends on how much traffic you're going to send. One thing I want to touch upon as well during this playlist of all kinds of ClickBank Facebook videos is the auto insurance, but that's not something for now because that's what ClickBank doesn't offer. Right now we're just focusing on the results we're having and the numbers we're pulling in. So this is basically a sneak peek of how to do the lender part, what you can use and how to use it was important. If you have questions about it, drop it down below and I'll be sure to have a look. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't. There's a link for the Debru Suite, 40% off your first month and a free Facebook ads ClickBank course. Link in the description, the only link there is. And I'll see you guys in the next one.